Make sure you're being good, okay? Otherwise, I'll sneak down your chimney and steal your presents. It's what I do. You know that.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song? You know what my favorite song is.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Grinch Jello roll-ups. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of mini marshmallows, 1/2 cup of hot water, and 1 box of Jello. I'm using the Starburst watermelon flavor. To a large measuring cup, I'm going to add in my packet of Jello. Then I'm going to add in my 1/2 cup of hot water. You just want to mix it until it's well combined and it's completely dissolved. Once the Jello is dissolved, you want to add in your marshmallows. Now we're going to place it into our microwave for 45 seconds. Once out of the microwave, you want to go ahead and mix it until all the marshmallows are melted all the way. Once your marshmallows have melted, set it to the side. Now I have an 8.5 by 8.5 glass baking dish. You want to spray it lightly with some non-stick cooking spray. And now we're going to pour our Jello in. Now we're going to place our Jello into the refrigerator for 2 hours. You want it to completely cool down. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours and our Jello is set. So now all you want to do is take a spatula and just go around the edges to loosen it up. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you underneath is darker green. So all we're going to do is begin to roll it up. Okay guys, as you can see, I've rolled it up into like a log. Next, we're going to take a sharp knife and you just want to cut down into the Jello. As you can see, it looks like a pinwheel. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Grinch Jello roll-ups. They're Starburst watermelon flavored. As you can see, they're nice and jiggly. The kids are going to love these. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Are y'all hungry yet?